Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we will be spinning out a bloom technique pseudo swipe using the Primary Elements bloom set. We're going to use 6 of the 12 colors, so I will have those listed below. And a pseudo swipe, and we're going to use a black topper, black cell activator. So a pseudo swipe is where you put the activator, you pour it out, and then you use a swipe card or something to swipe it with. You dip it into the cell activator first and then swipe with it like that. So that's what we're gonna do today. Hopefully we have better success this time. I am using sunset colors, so I've got 2 blues, an orange and a yellow, and a pink and a purple. Alright, so I am just going to kind of messily, crazily put the colors down, mostly in the middle square, and then spin it out. So, because most of the stuff toward the edge just flies off anyway. If you get off enough, you have to make sure you get off enough paint so that it doesn't crack. So, we put the 2 blues down first. Now I think I'll do the purple. So as you may or may not know, I tried this and did not get enough off of it and just had a total mess. Just cracked so bad. It's crazy. I've never seen anything like it. So, in an attempt to learn from our mistakes, we are going to try to make sure that we have enough of the paint off of here. All right, we have one more color, pink. The sunsets have been really gorgeous the last couple days. Even saw a double rainbow. We've been having these storms blow in and blow through really quickly and leave the most gorgeous double rainbows. So that's been fun. So, all right. So I am using playing cards, just that I got from the dollar store, and just gonna dip it in here. And just kind of swipe over the colors. You can do it long way or short ways, either way. I'm just using this tile because it's easier to hold on to it. Plus you can just wipe it off and then use it again. All right. Actually going to give that a couple minutes to rise back up and develop a little, and then we will spin it out. Be right back. Okay, it is looking pretty good. I gave it about 3 minutes. So I'm gonna start spinning it out. Well, okay, my hand out of the way. Alright, today I need to make sure that I spin. Because just because it's to the edges does not mean enough paint is off of it. Just gotta understand that. So just keep going. Go back the other way. Okay. I don't think Maggie likes that noise. Or is she barking at something else? Who knows? Alright. Wow, that is really, really pretty. I wonder if I have enough paint off yet. These look like water splashes right here. Alright, keep going. See how graceful I have been lately? It is just craziness. Okay. Wow, that is really, really pretty. All right, I don't know that any more is coming off. Let me bring you down for a close-up. See which way you like it better. No. All right, guys. I hope y'all have a spinner and are trying some of this because this is so much fun. I think I like it this way better. Okay, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Okay, let's go in for close-ups. That's my favorite corner. I'm loving the blue and the purple with the black. So I was going for kind of a sunset look, and it doesn't really look like the sunset, but how the colors fade together with the pinks and the purples, the yellow and the orange, the blues, it is reminiscent of a sunset. But anyway, there it is. It was so much fun. I love playing with these. You guys need to try this technique. It is so fun. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.